So the other day, as I was surfing the web, I discovered a fantastic product that I didn't know exists. This right here is the Insta360 magnetic selfie stick holster. It's a mouthful, but essentially, so let me give you a scenario, okay? You're running and gunning with the selfie stick, with the 360 or the GoPro or anything like that, right? And you're kind of like having to switch camera. So you want to switch from the 360 over to, let's say, your Sony camera right here, right? And so that's what I am having to deal with a lot of time. And so this thing right here, I think it's going to solve all of my problem. And it's so simple, is that this right here has a holster that you wear on your chest, and then there is a magnetic piece that you put onto the selfie stick. Yeah, there's just a little extension, and then you just magnetically attach the selfie stick to your chest. That's all you have to do. And after that, you're done. You just grab your big camera, shoot, put your big camera back down, grab the sticks back out, and start doing your Insta360 stuff. This right here. They've thought of everything, these guys. I don't know. Anyway, let's open this thing up. So yeah, like I was telling you, that's my scenario right there. If you're in the same shoe as me, juggling multiple cameras, you're always going to try to find ways for you to improve how you load your camera up. Okay, so this right here is the belt clip. Yeah, so this right here, I can already feel the magnet. Wow, that's really easy to put in there. But how do you get it back out? I heard all you do is you just twist it. Well, now I got to figure it out. Okay, so I actually have to run in and grab me a selfie stick to stick on here, because the twisting to release it is actually within here. Let me just show you this real quick. Can you see this part? The twisting, you see that metal in there? The twisting is actually within the selfie stick itself, and so that's how it releases it. So yeah, magnetically you attach this. Really easy to attach, and then you have to twist this part right here to let go, because yeah, you don't twist the black part, you twist the inside, which is that chrome that you see in there. Interesting stuff there, guys. I mean, there's a lot of technology that goes into doing something like this right here. It's amazing. I have used backpack clip before, similar to this, and they work fantastic. Especially if you're a videographer, photographer, or whatever, you're always going to have a backpack with you, because you could carry a bunch of lenses and extra gears and things like that. And so I never had really have a problem with not having a backpack. Also, if I'm carrying really light stuff, it's just a sling bag that I need. But yeah, this is going to be fantastic right here. You just attach this on. Yeah, very good solution right here. Just twist and it comes right off. This is amazing. This is amazing right here. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. I just want to show you that.